The nurse should be back soon.
Oh, I'm a little scared of the needle, Mommy.
Oh, I understand, Rosita. Everyone gets a little scared sometimes.
Yeah.
Let's think of some of the things that have helped before when you had to get a needle.
Oh,
We've looked away from the needle, remember?
Oh, yes, and that made me a little less scared. Yeah.
Yes. And one time when we were waiting to get the needle, we hummed our favorite song together.
Oh, that's right, Mommy. We hummed Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star.
Yes.
Oh, and Mommy, remember how you held my hand like
Aw.
this?
Yes.
Maybe I can hold Gatito's hand.
Oh, see? That way we're all holding hands. And you know you're not alone.
Yeah. Hear that, Gatito? We have so many ways to get through this together.
See? And remember, the most important thing is to stay still while getting the needle.
See, Mommy.
And if you want, we can say our special words together. Remember our special words?
See, Mommy.
I have courage. I can do this.
I am strong.
I love being able to help make these moments a little easier for my Rosita. What works for your child? What new ideas might you want to try?